Ramadan Kareem. It is my first year having a place of my own, and I also have a ton of new spaces to decorate, like a console table, my island, a dining table, and I'm just so excited. I'm planning on doing daily vlogs. Don't hold me to it, but I'm gonna try. Since I'm not working this year, I keep telling myself I have no excuse, I have nothing else to do, and I need to like really push myself. So hopefully I'll be doing short form content, so for TikTok and Instagram, as well as a daily vlog. So before we get into the Ramadan decoration, I wanted to share this beautiful dress from Batul, the collection. This dress is literally stunning. She nailed it with all of the detailing, the ruching, the design, the cut, the color is just so pretty. So this actually would be a beautiful Eid dress if you guys are looking for something. I'm not really sure if she still has it in stock. I actually bought this dress like 4 months ago and I never wore it, and this is just like the perfect time to pull it out. I wanted to share this in case you're looking for modest dresses for Ramadan or something for Eid. This would just be so stunning. Starting with my tablescape, I was so excited to decorate this year because I've never had a dining table of my own. Obviously I had one at my parents' house, but it was really hard to decorate that because there were so many people in the house, and obviously people wanted to use a dining table, and here I am wanting to just make it look cute, so it's very impractical. But this year, since I don't have anyone else with me, I can keep my table decorated through the entire month, and I'm just so excited about that. So I have plates and table napkins. These table napkins are from West Elm, but I don't love them because they don't really match my table runner. I was going for this sage green vibe in my apartment, but this is just the wrong shade. This is like a mint, so I mean, whatever. I'm gonna still keep them. I also bought these beautiful olive green glasses. I think this is from Crate & Barrel. Yeah, it's from CB2. This is going to add that perfect touch to my tablescape. My vision for my table setting this year is a candlelit dinner with pops of olive green. So that's exactly what I'm putting together. These are long cylinders that have floating candles on the top. These I've been reusing since like Thanksgiving or something. They're from Michael's. And then these are tall glass candle holders. Like, how pretty is that? I love the shape. It's a very clean, modern look. So I got these off of Amazon. And then these are tiny little votives. These are also really, really pretty. As a centerpiece, I'm using this Ramadan Mubarak sign that I got off of Amazon, and that's just going to be the focal point, and there's going to be candles surrounding it. I got these off of Amazon. It was a huge garland, and I just took scissors and I just like went at it, and I made these tiny little stems, and I'm going to place it on the dining table. I think that's going to look so pretty. Like that. I'm also going to place these cards on the side, and I think that's going to look so pretty. These cards were gifted to me from Hina Chaudhry. She's a local artist here in Houston. If you guys want to check her out, I will leave her information down below. But they're just really pretty, beautiful cards. You can write like a little letter on the back if you wanted to. And I thought that would look so pretty. So I'm going to link everything down below, as well as the little candles that go inside, the fairy lights. For my Ramadan decoration this year, I am reusing and repurposing everything that I had in last year's collection, with the exception of 2 or 3 items. So the only 2 new things that I got are these new lanterns. I really wanted to invest in some high quality lanterns because they just are staples in my Ramadan collection, and I can use them for years and years to come. So I got those 2, and then I got a new Athan clock, which I'll share with you guys in a second. 99% of my Ramadan Decor collection is made up of small Muslim-owned businesses, so I will tag everyone down below if you guys want to shop them. I have a code with almost all of the brands that I'm going to share with you guys. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is just pieces that they gifted me like a few years ago, and I just have it part of my collection because they really are amazing, good quality pieces. So I'm going to start with my favorite brand. This is from With a Spin. They have beautiful Islamic architectural design in their pieces. This is a beautiful sign that says La ilaha illallah, and it's battery operated. So if you put a battery in the back, this glows so beautifully when you place it on a stand. This is another piece that I really love. It's a stand with the 99 names of Allah. And this makes a beautiful centerpiece. You can have it on a table or a mantle or even on an island. It's so, so pretty. and really, really good quality. All of their pieces are handmade in India by Muslim craftsmen, so that is just so nice. I also have this Ramadan sign, which I feel like everyone has, but it's just a really nice, simple way to like really show that it's Ramadan. They also have a Eid Mubarak sign, Alhamdulillah sign, and they come in various colors. Another Muslim business that I am loving, and they actually have gone viral, I feel like, in the last year, is it's Rasam. And they have beautiful like sculptures and minimal ceramic pieces. These make really cute centerpieces, like if you put it on a coffee table or in a bookshelf. They're just really nice little sculptures to have as decorative pieces. So I have these little mosques, and they're just so cute. Another brand that I absolutely love is Zayn and Noura. They have calligraphy that is engraved on solid wood, and they're just really, again, modern, clean pieces that look so nice on an entryway table or like on a console. They come in various colors. You can have this in plain wood instead of the white paint, but I chose white. They have black and turquoise, so just really, really pretty pieces to check out. So this is what I'm probably the most excited about this year. This is an Athan clock that I've actually never had before. Growing up, my parents used to have one, but it was that really, astaghfirullah, it sounds so bad, but like really loud, annoying like sound. The audio was just poor quality, so it felt like it was screeching and piercing into our ears. But this one is so nice. It has an alarm clock for obviously all 5 prayers, but it also has other little tidbits like hadith of the day or verse of the day, and it'll tell you what day of Ramadan it is. And you can also choose the gari that you want for your adhan, and then after every adhan is the dua that you have to recite, so it plays that as well. It also has the option to play at the Hajjat alarm, which is nice. Last 2 pieces, both of these are new to my collection, and I love them. They are really good quality lanterns. I bought this one from West Elm and this one from Pottery Barn, and I just really wanted to invest in good quality lanterns because they are one of those pieces that I reuse year after year in my Ramadan decoration. So this one is so pretty. It's like this brass gold, and it's from Pottery Barn. And then this one is more of a clean, minimal look with the glass. And I got this from West Elm, and I actually got this in a larger size as well, so I can pair a small little guy and a big guy, either in my entryway or near my mirror. wanted to share with you guys my prayer corner that I put together this year. Honestly, nothing has changed from last year except for the location. I reused everything that I had. So the same prayer rugs. I love these prayer rugs. They're so beautiful. In the morning light, they have like this really pretty sheen, and I got 2 of them. I just layered them because I love the way that looks. And then I have 2 pillows back there with a beautiful throw that I got from Macy's a couple years ago. 2 lanterns with some twinkle lights. I have a starlight going over top my pillows. Then I have this little side table with all of my books that I'm reading this month. So this book is new to me. I picked this up after seeing somebody talk about it on TikTok. It's called The Spiritual Medicine. Basically, for every emotion, there is some ayahs and just some spiritual and uplifting, motivational little excerpts, all from hadith and sunnah. So it's just a really nice book to flip through, whether you're feeling, sad, or if you're feeling like you're being very prideful. It really does have all of the emotions. This one is for extravagance. It's just so nice to have something on hand like that. So I'm gonna flip through this in Ramadan, hopefully take some notes. I'll share some gems on my Instagram stories. Then I got this dua journal. Honestly, I just got this from Veiled Collection. I've been wanting this journal for so long, and I'm so happy that they sent this over. Pretty much it's a prompt journal. It asks you a few prompts and you just fill it out daily, and it's just nice to be aware of what you're making dua for, what you're grateful for. So happy that they sent this. I've been wanting it for so long. And then lastly, obviously, I have the Quran, which I've went through and labeled every surah, so it's just easy for me to flip through and read throughout the month of Ramadan. So I actually love having a prayer corner. I find it really helpful to have a dedicated space, whether it's in your home, a bedroom, a spare room, just somewhere where you can go and really get in some good ibadah. I honestly spend like 90% of my time here during Ramadan, either making dua, praying, reading the Quran, or just reflecting. So I wanted to share this before I end the vlog. I can't turn the camera around because I already removed my hijab, but wanted to share this before I go. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys hopefully in my daily vlogs for Ramadan, probably the 2nd day of Ramadan. So early Ramadan Mubarak, and I hope you guys have a blessed month. Bye!